Merch by Amazon Trending Niche Alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 New Year's 2024 niches, and I also have a bonus niche that happens only once every 4 years. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Okay, let's get into the content of the video. So we have New Year's coming up. 2024 obviously happens every year, and I would recommend that you get your designs up early because you want to get sales now, because this niche is actually already selling, as I'm going to show you. And so if you can get your 2024 New Year's shirts already ranked, and even with a couple of reviews, it's going to be a lot better royalty wise, sales wise, so that when it's time for people, when the masses come at the end of basically December, when everybody's buying those New Year's shirts, yours are already going to be ranked. They're going to have a review or two, and it's going to help you get more sales if you're just early than just waiting kind of like everybody else until like December when there's going to be a flood of merch sellers basically uploading all the New Year's shirts. So basically the point I'm trying to make here is you want to be early on these niches so that you're ranked and your listings have reviews to help you get more sales when it's time for people to buy their New Year's shirts. Okay, so let's get into the first niche, or the kind of first phrase or idea that I have for you guys for this New Year's. And the first one is going to be New Year's pregnancy announcement. So basically what we're doing is we're taking New Year's 2024 and we're cross-niching it with pregnancy announcement. So there's going to be couples, women that want to announce their pregnancy during New Year's because it's a new year, it's a new beginning, and so they want to celebrate that. And so when we type in New Year's Eve pregnancy announcement, we're going to see there's only 48 results. And let me show you some design ideas that you guys can get some inspiration from, do something similar. So right here we're going to see let the countdown begin, and then they have the two little baby feet right here. Happy New Year, also I'm pregnant. We're going to see that this one right here has a really good BSR, 461. This one has a 5.5 or 5.4 million BSR. Another phrase that you can use for this idea is right here, we're expecting 2024 to be a great year, and then they have the little baby feet right here in the hearts, hinting or letting people know that they're pregnant, or the woman or wife is pregnant. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see that for this phrase, New Year's pregnancy announcement shirt, the competition is only 848, and here's some other design ideas. So I saw this one actually a lot. So New Year, New Mommy, with the kind of like the disco ball. Here's another one that we just saw that I just showed you. We're expecting 2024 to be a great year. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see, when I type in New Year's pregnancy announcement, here's another example. We are expecting 2020 to be a great year. So here you would just change it from 2020 to 2024. And then if we go to TeePublic, I don't think I saw anything on TeePublic for this design or phrase. So that's the first niche that I have for you. We're just taking New Year's 2024 and we're cross-niching it with pregnancy announcement or pregnancy reveal. And then the next New Year's niche that I wanted to share with you is this phrase right here that says goodbye 2023, hello 2024. So basically what we're doing is we're cross-niching the current year with the future year 2024. We're going to see that there's only 341 results. When I go to the third page, there's still only 341 results for this phrase, goodbye 2023, hello 2024. Now the majority of them I saw are kind of using more of a Christmas theme, which is fine. So let me show you an example. So like this one right here, goodbye 2023, hello 2024, with the Santa and the reindeer. And if we look, this one's already selling, and Christmas, New Year's is like 3 months away. So that's a good sign right there. And there's a couple other Christmas ones I found as well, like this one right here. But me personally, I would probably go more of the actual New Year's route, or New Year's style design. So let me show you some examples of that. So if we scroll down right here, we're going to see it is right this row right here. So this one I'm talking about, goodbye 2023, hello 2024. Now these don't have any BSRs yet, but as we get closer to Christmas and New Year's, you will start to see that these designs will start to sell. If we go to Etsy, take a look at the competition, 1,300 results, and we get some more ideas. Now a lot of them are PNG files, SVGs. I didn't really see any t-shirts, but here's an example from last year. Let's see if we can find some other ones. Right here, here's another one also from last year as well. Here's a Christmas one for this year, but I think it's a PNG file. Yeah, when you see the price this low, you know that's a PNG file. Here's another example. That's a pretty good design right there. If we go to Redbubble, we will see people are putting it on stickers, so like this one right here. And if we go to TeePublic, we will see that the majority of them are from last year, like this 2022, 2023. Here is one for the one that I'm recommending right here, 2023, Hello 2024. So that is the second New Year's niche. It is Goodbye 2023, Hello 2024. And then the next New Year's niche that I have for you, which I think is going to be a really good one, I think this is probably the best niche out of the 7 that I'm going to show you, is this, well, it's not a phrase, but it's basically 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the reason that this is selling, or people are designing for this, is because of the date. So it's basically December, which is the 12th month, the 31st, which is New Year's, and then 2023. So you see it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's why people seem to be liking this, designing for this, or buying these type of t-shirts. There's a couple ways you can go about designing this. You can just do like, you can take New Year's and you can cross niche it with the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you also have people that have their birthday on the 31st of December. So right here you can see like lucky birthday, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And these are already selling. They don't have the best BSRs. Well, this one actually is doing pretty good. See this $4.45 on a long sleeve. But these are selling, and not too many people know about this niche. There's only 568 results. And if we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 568 results for the keyword 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And these type of designs tend to do, like these number designs tend to do very well. Like if you guys remember last year in February, there's this niche right here that was Tuesday. So if you remember this, you know, February 22nd, 2022, it was, the date was basically all Tuesday and even landed on a Tuesday. People just changed the way that you spell Tuesday and put TWO instead of TUES, and this niche did very well. I remember I made some good sales with some of these designs, so that's why I think this is going to probably be the best niche out of in this video, because for some reason these like number designs, people seem to think it's really cool or crazy or whatever, and they just tend to do very well. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 shirt. Let's see how much competition there is. If that would just get out the way. Only 829. We're going to see what some of the designs look like right here. Again, mainly SVGs and PNG files. If we go to Redbubble, only 8 results. This one right here, they're cross-niching New Year's with the date 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then if we go to TeePublic, just seeing this kind of weird design here. Don't really know what that is about, but I'm sure you can probably design better than that. So that is the third niche, probably the best one. This is one that I am most interested in designing for. It is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can cross niche it with New Year's, you can cross niche it with birthday, and there's probably a couple other ways you can cross niche it as well. And then the next New Year's design idea that I have for you is this one right here that says New Year's Eve drinking team. So basically what we're doing is we're taking New Year's 2024 and we're cross niching it with drinking or partying, basically, because obviously on New Year's people like to go out, drink, party, have fun. We're going to see that for this phrase right here. There's only 23 results. Here are what some of the designs look like. So you want to do or consider doing something like this right here. But instead of 2023, you want to do 2024. I thought this was interesting because it's for 2023 and it has a 305 BSR, which is pretty good in my opinion. Here's another design idea right here. So do something like this, 2024 New Year's Eve drinking team. When we go to Etsy, we're going to see there's only 433 results for a New Year's Eve drinking team shirt. You get some ideas on what some of the other designs look like. Redbubble, low in competition, only 14 results. And when we go to TeePublic, didn't really see anything that is kind of like what I'm showing. But that's going to be, I believe, the fourth niche or design idea. We're just taking New Year's 2024 and we're cross-niching it with beer, champagne, drinking, alcohol, partying, etc. And then moving right along to the next niche or design idea that I have for you for New Year's 2024 is to take Happy New Year's 2024 but translate it into Spanish and say Feliz Año Nuevo 2024, because, you know, everybody or the majority of merch sellers are just going to be copying and doing, you know, Happy New Year's 2024 designs. And when everyone's zigging, you want to zag. You want to differentiate yourself from the crowd. And one of the ways that you can do that is by taking Happy New Year 2024 and translating it into Spanish by saying Feliz Año Nuevo. That's how you say Happy New Year in Spanish. And if we go ahead and take a look at an example that I'm talking about, you want to do something kind of similar like this right here. So here we're going to see Feliz Año Nuevo, something like this. You can do some champagne, fireworks, and add in 2024. We're going to see that this actually is selling 1.5 BSR, not the best price, but this is an idea right here. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see there's only 1,700 results. And here's some other design ideas. Now these are PNGs, so you can actually maybe purchase these. You have to check in the description, or you can just message the seller and ask him if you're allowed to sell these on, print-on-demand websites. Sometimes you are, sometimes you're not, but you do want to check just to make sure so you don't get in trouble. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see 232 results for Feliz Año Nuevo. I'm not seeing any that say 2024. This one looks like it says 2023. So you can see some people were actually already doing this for last year. And then if we go to TeePublic, I don't really see anything. All right, so that is the fifth niche or design idea that I have for you for New Year's. It's just taking New Year's or Happy New Year's 2024 and then translating into Spanish. And now you can do this with all the languages too. So I'm sure there's probably going to be barely any competition if you do this in like Russian, German, French, etc., etc. So that's a way that you can kind of even scale the design even more. And before I share with you the bonus niche, I just want to share with you the last two design ideas that you can use for New Year's 2024. And one is just doing a funny New Year's 2024 t-shirt. Funny t-shirts tend to sell the best on Merch by Amazon, and so here's an example of that. I need 2024 to understand the assignment. That's pretty funny right there. You can do something similar like this. And then another idea or option is to do something like this, where you're just basically taking Happy New Year's in 2024 and you're putting in that groovy, retro kind of hippie style text. We've seen over the past year or two that this design style, this retro groovy text, tends to sell very well. And then the bonus niche that I have for you is Leap Year 2024. So 2024 is going to be a leap year. If you don't know what a leap year is, it's basically a year that has 366 days instead of 365. It happens every 4 years. And like I said, 2024 is going to be a leap year. If we go to Amazon, we're going to see that for the keyword leap year 2024, there's only 398 results. And if we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 398 results. I have a feeling this is going to tend to sell very well. You want to get your designs up or in early so that people can start buying them, so that when it's time, when it's January, February, and people are buying these type of designs, your designs will already be ranked, they'll already have reviews. It's going to help you get more sales. If you go to Creative Fabrica, there's actually some designs that you can take a look at. I do have an affiliate link in my description of this video and all my videos. So if you want to sign up to Creative Fabrica, it's only $60 for $4.99 a month. You get fonts, AI, graphics, PNGs, a whole bunch of stuff, courses, POD, section, bundles. Here we're going to see what some of the designs look like. And let's see, I went ahead and did a test check just to see if this is safe. And there's actually a lot of, words or actually trademarks that come up for this. Now, I did go ahead and check all these and they're all safe. And I did actually go ahead and upload a design just to make sure. I was kind of like the guinea pig for you guys, because I know people are going to probably comment saying that leap year is trademarked. And so what I did is I just went ahead and I uploaded the design. And so here it is right here. You're going to see leap year 2024, February 29th, men, women's, kids, and it is in processing. So it has gone through. It will probably go live here in a couple hours or so. All right, so those are the niches that I have for you guys today. If you're looking for more design ideas, check out my YouTube channel. I got a whole bunch of videos in this playlist right here. I also have a couple courses that is going to be in the description and the pinned comment. The courses are for Merch by Amazon and for Redbubble. So if you're struggling to get sales on those platforms, or if you're a beginner looking for guidance, that's who the courses are good for: beginners, people struggling to get sales on those platforms. So go ahead and take a look. They're on Udemy. I want to thank everybody that has been buying the course. I want to thank everybody that has been subscribing to the channel, commenting. Comment below, what do you think about these niches I just mentioned? Do you think they're good? Do you think they suck? Let me know. Let's go ahead and connect. So that is going to be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, adios.